In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images move in CapCut PC. If you want to make a still photo feel more dynamic, adding motion is one of the easiest ways to do it. A simple pan, zoom, or slide can make your video look much more polished and engaging, even if you're only working with static images. In CapCut PC, there are two very easy ways to create this effect, and I'll walk you through both of them clearly so you can choose the one that fits your project best. The first method uses keyframes, which gives you more control and lets you create custom movement. Start by clicking your photo on the timeline so it's highlighted, then place your playhead right at the beginning of that clip. From there, go to the top right Properties panel, open the Video section, then Basic, and click the small keyframe diamond icon next to Position and Size. This tells CapCut to remember the image's starting position and scale. Next, drag your playhead a few seconds forward in the same clip. At this new point, either scale the image up slightly for a zoom effect, or click and drag the image across the preview screen to create a pan. As soon as you make that change, CapCut automatically creates the motion between the first point and the second one. That means your photo will smoothly glide from the starting position to the ending position without you having to animate every frame manually. This method is perfect if you want precise control over how the image moves. The second method is even faster and uses CapCut's built-in motion animations. Select your photo on the timeline, then click the Animation tab in the top right panel. From there, choose either In or Combo, depending on the type of movement you want. You'll see presets such as Zoom 1, Pan Right, or Slide Left. These are great if you want a quick result without manually adjusting keyframes. Once you pick an animation, use the duration slider at the bottom to control the speed. A shorter duration makes the movement faster, while a longer duration gives you a slower, more relaxed motion. Once you've applied either method, test the result by pressing the spacebar to preview your clip. Watch how the image moves and see if the speed feels right. If you used keyframes and want a slower, smoother glide, just drag the second keyframe farther down the timeline clip. That increases the time between the 2 points and softens the motion. You're all set. Done.